Keiko, and it is October Simply Craft. Today's video is really short, and I want you to work to make it really wonderful craft. I know you have 3 things in your package, right? And one is small pumpkin. It's very small, right? And the second one is one envelope. You can make hanging thing, right? The third one is to make owl. Okay, so you have 3 small craft items. Okay? So I am going to show you what I am doing. Okay? Just a simple thing here. I just glued them. Okay? You found these leaves, right? Okay. And then you found also a small piece of construction paper. Okay. And you can add more in the back of it, right? And I'm not done yet. Okay. And this, you can also use markers if you have. Okay. Okay. And then I added small pieces like this. Right? It's more like a fall theme, right? And then before I started, I did like this. I prepared. Okay? I cut those leaves. Can you see it? I kind of prepared. That's what I glued them. You found stick of glue. If you have a mud patch, you can use them too. Okay? But I found like a glue stick is much better this time. All right, the surface is a little bit different. Okay? All right, that's good. So 2 more things. I am going to show them to you. All right, just a moment. Okay. Hi, 2 things I wanted to show it to you is the first envelope. You have 1 envelope like this, right? In your bag. You can find 3 items here, 1, 2, 3, plus stick and have ribbon and then string, black ribbon, I should say thread. Now, I already made holes for you. Okay, so it's just a matter of putting the thread through each item and then tie the top of this stick. Okay, and make hanging thing. All right, decoration. If you like to decorate the back of it, it's empty, so then you can draw. And I found sticker, so I put sticker like this. Okay, and I made a little face. Okay, I think everybody has different shapes of things, all right, hanging things. So enjoy. I had a cat, pumpkin, and then witch's head. All right, it's very simple. Okay, so very easy. Okay. Now, second one is a back like this. You have the back like this. All right, that's owl. This is super easy because it's already sticky things are there. It's a matter of peeling. All right, this is the body part, and here like this. See, just a matter of peeling. Okay, so let's try it. Peeling like this. You may not have like these pom-poms. Okay, and then just center it, and then like this. Again, you may have yellow. You may have the brown or green. Okay, everybody's different. Okay, I had red and yellow. All right. Now I know that you find eyes, right? Eyes. And this part I already put them together, both of, all right? Just again, matter of peeling the back, okay? That's an easy part, sort of. You know that the peeled paper is difficult part, right? Now, so, like this, here, one, okay, and then one more. Let's see, yep, peeling, and one more. It's getting there. Now need a beak, okay? I know I have a beak. I think beak part is everybody has orange one, okay? That also has a sticky thing in there. Good, very good. So in the middle here, okay? There. All right. Now this kind of wing part. Again, you may have different shapes and the colors too. Just peeling. It doesn't really matter where, around this area, I think. Okay, like this. The next one. And then you may find feet. Again, you may have green, brown, yellow. Okay? I have red. This is easy to peeling. Okay. This is easy, isn't it? Right? I think I will just put around here. One more. 1, 2, 3. Great. This is okay. Like this. Now, this part you may have several pom-poms in a bag. All right. This you have to use. This is special glue. Okay. I inserted, let me see, strip. Okay, it looks like wax paper. All right, and then probably 4 to 6 glue dots are there, sticky things. That's what I want you to use it because the regular glue doesn't work. Okay, so this part might be a little bit difficult. Sometimes I find it a little bit difficult, like this, okay? And that's what I do. Put it in the center here, like this, okay? And that's why I put strip of glue dots, like this, right? It's kind of difficult to send it. That's why I placed it on a wax paper. It looks like a wax paper, right? That's the purpose, okay? And then see, you may have, it's like a shiny things, all right? I wish this is real, shiny. This, fortunately, sticky thing is there. Yes, yes. So look at this. Okay, and then sticky thing is right there. So I can put probably instead of this one, I am going to replace Let's see. Okay, this pom-pom should stay here. How about I am going to place this one in the middle. Okay, and let's see how it looks like this. All right, good. It looks nice. Okay, now here there's a hole here. Can you see? All right, and then you have ribbon, and I think I lost my ribbon. Here, I have a brown ribbon. Okay, so you can place it here. I think this is big enough. Yep, it is big enough. Put it here. Again, this is hanging thing. Okay, like this. Tie it around here. Okay, here it is. Okay, I like to see yours. Okay, might be yellow, might be orange, might be green, all different. All right. Okay, good. So it was easy. I think difficult one was the small pumpkin was a little bit difficult. Yeah, but I hope you made it nicely. Okay. All right. Good. So these two items I wanted to show it to you. All right. So this was a really short one, and I hope you enjoy making those 3 things. And I hope you have a very happy Halloween and stay safe. All right. And see you next month. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. Bye.